Now today you're not the first one, Auni. Normally you're the first one.
Oh, that's because like I do so early today. You still had class that time.
Yeah, I have a family session with
Yeah,
my.
and then you stopped the meeting, but then I still went in and then I waited.
Yeah, so sorry. Once you join in too early, then you might be cancelled. You see, I think Umaira saw and she said that it's all a whole group of old people. She says, it's so sad.
Why? What happened?
I do not know. I don't know. She said she was scared that she saw so many old people. Is it true, Umaira?
I thought I went inside the wrong thing.
No. That's my family's chat. Every weekend we have. This is my family. Okay, we will now revise again. Your SA1 is coming very, very, very soon.
One already happened week. Next week,
Sorry.
second week.
Next second week. Okay. All right, let's try it. Okay, we move on this later. We'll do a little bit of a protractor measuring in case you have difficulty. Let us try question 1, 2, 3. Keep track of your score, please. Keep track of your score. This is 1 mark each. 1 mark each. And then send your answer over.
Can we just stand on chat if we want to?
Yeah, you can send on the chat, yes.
Should we do the questions?
Yes, please do. Question 1, 2, 3. Come, Amara. Welcome, Amara. What happened? Are you running away? Come. Don't run away, Amara.
Everybody would run away from the monster under our bed.
Oh, there's a
Which monster under our bed?
I don't know what monster that is. In fact, now I understand why I'm getting funny sounds. Well, anyway. Let's see.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, well done to Miss Auni for question number 1. So you keep track of your points. Okay, this is 1 point.
Okay. Is it if I get correct 1 point each?
Yeah, 1 point each for question 1 to 10. I think 11 to 15 is 2 points. Come, Naomi. Okay, Umaira, well done, Umaira, for question 1, so 1 point also. What about Naomi and Amara? Come. Amara is still connecting to audio.
Why Amara doesn't know what to do?
Connection might be bad. Okay. Auni for question number 2. Congratulations also.
Last 2 is
Number 3, I taught you all last week how to do, so you know how to do. Come, Naomi, what's the answer for question 1? Please type it in. Amara, come type in your answer so that you can keep track of your
points. Yes, the points.
Yeah, your points. 1 point each for. Well, Auni, you finish it. Number 3.
Yep.
Wow, so fast. Let us see whether you're okay now. Naomi, congratulations for question number 1. So yeah.
I already messaged you for.
Yeah, I'm now checking your answer. Okay, your answer you say is number. Okay. Wait. Okay, that's correct. Well done. So Umaira, question 2, please check. All right, Umaira. Naomi, question 2, please check. Amara, what about you? Amara, what's question 1? Can you message to me? Amara, come in. Okay, within 30 seconds. If it doesn't, we don't get the answer, I need to. Okay. Well done. Okay, so Amara, also, all of you got it correct for question number 1. So basically, how to do it is just bring down the 8 and then add zeros here, and you get 80,000. 80,000. So well done. You just follow the zeros. So this 10,000. 80,000 is 8 10,000, which is the same. Okay, and Then now we are going to show you the next few questions so that you can do. So Naomi and Umaira, you must check question number 2. Okay, Umaira, your question number 2, new answer is correct. Okay, we'll give 1 minute to Naomi and Amara for question number 2. Multiple means the
What is
timetable.
this? No. I don't like this type of question.
Why? Because you don't like problem sums. But you know, in life, you're going to have a lot of problems. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but
Does
that's
that
what,
even related to this question?
yes, because we're all thinking questions. When Allah created us and sent us to earth, this place, some people get it wrong. Some people say life is short, let's enjoy. No. Allah says this is a place of tests. It's test after test after test after test. Some people are born handicapped. Some are born with certain medical issues. Some might be born with certain mental problems. Some emotional. Some might be born orphans. Some might be born very, very poor in war-torn countries. So you are tested right from young. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was tested as he was an orphan. No one take care of him. He had no parents, right? One passed away, another passed away. So right from young, his mother passed away. Father passed away when he was in the womb. Father passed away when he was about 4 years old. He was on a journey. Imagine, he was on the way to Medina, and then the mother passed away. Can you imagine? You are the only child, and your father has passed away. Now with your mother, you're going for a journey, they say, to Johor, and then your mother passed away there. Can you imagine? And she had to come back with the helper, like the maid, like that. And come back, no more mommy, no more daddy. Grandfather took care of him. Until a certain age, then the grandfather died also. Uncle took care of him until he was old man. And not old man, until he was a prophet. But anyway, let's come back to this. So Umaira, number 2, well done. We are waiting for Amara. We are waiting on Naomi. If you're not too sure, I'm going to write down what are the multiples. Multiples means you have to write down multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, some more, 20. So we write down the same thing for 6, 12. 12 can be the answer. Can you see? 12 can be the answer, but there's no 12 here. So 12 is not the answer. Then next one, 4, 12, 18, 24, 30. So we write like that. And then we compare them. This one is 24. 24 could be the answer. 24 could be the answer. But there is no 24 here. So we have to continue now. 28.
So
32.
why are we still at that question?
Because some of the rest have not done the question. 36. Right? Down here is, let's say now, 36. 36 could be the next one. So let us check. And there is 36, number 1. So I hope you can see. Question 2, the answer is 1. We are now going to move to question 3 and question 4. Okay. So let me just stop screen share and start back screen share. Okay. Question 3, I taught you how to do last week. Okay. If you remember, you find out what's the answer. I'm going to just help you out like that. Remember now, you have something like this. What quotient is 140? Don't tell the answer. Then the remainder is 2. And then you are divided by.
Then the answer plus 2.
Yes. So what's your answer? We want to know what's your number down here. So let us see. You know how to do this. Come on. You can do this. So Umaira, what about question number 3? You didn't send and number 3, Umaira.
Oh yeah.
So you know how to do. So Auni has given this answer. Let us see.
How to do question?
See,
What's 5 bar anyway?
What you see?
Nothing. No, question number 5, must you draw a number line?
Up to you. You can draw a number line. You can timeline, you mean? Yes? Why not? Why not? If you want to. Auni, so sorry. You are careless for question number 4. Auni, you are careless for question number 4.
Then is the question number 4 answer 2?
Don't say out now.
I don't know. I just guessing.
You see your calendar. I don't know what you did. Hold on. Hold on, let me see. Oh,
I times the 2 to 8 with 6. Then the answer.
times
then,
by 6.
No, I divide. Then the answer I divide by
Umaira,
2.
for question 3, congratulations. What about Naomi and Amara? Do you remember what to do? Take 140 times 3. The answer plus 2. Remember not? Take 140 times 3. The answer plus 2. May have forgotten. So only you gotta check your answer for question number 4.
Oh, I forgot how to draw a number line.
Timeline.
Oh.
Okay, I will go through shortly. Myra, the question 3, congratulations. Naomi and Amara, you know what to do. Just take 140 times 3, then plus 2. Come on. Do. Naomi, your question number 3, you didn't send. Question 3. Amara, come Amara, don't hide. You must take 140 times 3, answer plus 2. Okay, I have to show you this one now. So keep track. Every question you get it correct, you will get 1
Get
point.
a point.
Yeah, and this is like real, this like a real test. So you times 3 now. 0 times 3 is 0, 4 times 3 12, carry 1 4. 1 times 3 3 plus 1 4, 420. Then you need to plus the 2 here. So this is 422, which is number 30. Okay. We'll go to question number 4. So far, no one has got question number 4 correct. All right.
No one.
Let me see.
No one.
Umaira. No one has gotten
Okay.
question number 4 correct. But I'm a little bit worried about Amara. Amara, you must
Why?
send me your answers. Otherwise, I do not know, are you in the class or not? You must try so that I know what you don't know. Maybe you need a little bit more time, no problem, Amara. But yeah.
Oh, I remembered to do a number line.
Okay.
Five.
Come on.
Okay. So I already sent you answer for question 5.
5. Well, can you think through question number 4? We're going to go through question number 4 in 2 minutes time. Please try, girls.
Who are you talking to? Amara.
To all the girls now.
Oh.
So all your, for yourself, question number 4, you got to try again because your answer is not correct. It's very simple, right?
Ibu. Bo.
Okay, Auni is number 5, you're right.
Oh.
Umara, number 4, I'm so sorry.
I'm trying again somehow.
Unless my calculation is wrong. I don't think my calculation is wrong. But sometimes I make mistakes, right? Ever taught class, make mistakes after mistake after mistake. And then Naomi, come. You can do this. Come on. Okay, I'll write down the working for you down here. Simple stuff. 6 books. 6 books is how much? They tell you is 6 books is $228. Find 1 book. Amara, find 1 book. What do you do to find 1 book? Come on, you know. 1 book is how much? And then they ask you for 2 books price. No, not 1 book, you know. After that, you must find the price for 2 books. Okay, 2 books, how much? Come on, you can do this. So how to do this? Your 6 timetable got to be good. Why? 6 books is 2 to 8. You got to divide 2 to 8 by 6. Come on, you can do this.
I did that.
Then what happened?
And then I got 38.
38. And then?
And then I
They ask
divide
you-
by 2.
They want the price for 2 books, what you going to divide by 2? This is the price. You already found the price for 1 book. You divide by 2 is half a book. No one sell half a book. Maybe food, you can say, makcik nak setengah piring. Ayam dia potong setengah.
Yeah.
But book, how you going to chop into 2? Say, nah, I go popular. I don't want
10
to pay.
times.
I want, you try to go popular. Say, I want, excuse me, auntie, I want only half a book.
How do you get half a book?
You cannot. That's why you're going to divide by 2 is not. You're supposed to
Then?
times 2. Because
Oh,
you're going to buy 2
okay.
books, what? You're going to buy 2 books, not half a book. This is 2 books. How come you say it's a half a book?
That's times 2 anyway. How will I get?
Come on, Amara. Divide by 3. You tell me, can 2 divide by 3, Amara? Cannot. What number can divide by 3 that is 22 or below? What is it? 3 times 7 is... 3. Sorry, I'm going to divide by 3. Sorry. Must divide by 6. Sorry, Amara.
4
Amara, we try again, Amara.
is...
Let's have this conversation again, Miss
Okay.
Amara. Only
What the-
for number 3. Okay, congratulations, Oni.
Oh.
So divide by 6 now. Okay.
Okay.
So Amara, what can divide by 6? A number 22 or smaller. What is it, Amara? Okay, that's good, Amara. 18. 18 divided by 3 is 18 divided by 6 is 3. Then you minus, you get 4. And then you bring down the 8, 48. 48 divided by 6, what do you get? 48 divided by 6, you get 8. 8 times 6 is 48. So you get like that. Right?
I did the number line.
Didn't number line. Okay, just a moment.
Yeah.
Later you can show me. Can you take a photo of it if you want to? But this is now 38. You want to find 2 books. Umaira, come. Umaira, what you doing, Umaira? You want to find 1 book is 38. 2 books, you just take 38 times 2 lah. Easy, girls. Come on, easy. Umaira has number 1, number 4. No, cannot. You see 38 times 2, you get 76. This is the answer now. Girls, you got to try harder. This is not difficult questions. All right, the last one. All you need to do is to find out from 7:35 to 9:15.
But I already did that.
Yeah, you got it correct. Okay.
Yahoo.
So now you say 7. So we draw a line here. Okay, we draw a different color. Okay. Let's say now we draw using blue. Blue down here. So this is now 7:35. So 1 hour later is
8:35.
8:35.
Oh.
So 8:35 is 1 hour, right? So I will now, sorry, 8:35. Okay, this from here to here is 1 hour. I put 1 hour. Then 1 hour later is what?
1 hour later is 9:35.
9:35.
But they want 9:15.
Now it's like 2 hours already, right? This is like 2 hours. No, if we do from here to here is 2 hours, but they do not want 9:35. What do they want? They want 9:15. So you must go back a little bit to get 9:15. 9:15 here. So your answer must be less than 2 hours. So far the answers here, well, they have given you some answers, right? So I can show you by what? From 8:35 to 9:15, you got to find out how long it is. So you can minus if you want to. This one, you can minus if you want to. So I'm going to show you 2 ways to minus. One is to minus the whole thing. The other one is just to minus 9:15 to 8:35 to find what the difference is. So now let us do the whole thing first. Okay, there's 2 ways. One is down here. You take what time? 9:15. So I put 9 hours, 15 minutes. Like that. Okay. And then what do you do? Then you minus 7:35. 7 hours, 35. So now what do we do now? This is what you do. Look, you borrow 1 hour here. You change it. Borrow 1 hour, you're left with 8 hours. Right? Down here, you don't just put a 1 like that. Cannot. You get it wrong. Because 1 hour is 60 minutes. You must put a plus 60 down here. And then rewrite the question. Okay, so now rewrite. Now you have 8 hours. Then 50 plus 60, 75 minutes. Now you can minus. Can you see now? 75 minutes. Then you put 7 hours, 35. Now you can minus. So what are you doing? You are just borrowing 1 hour. You're breaking it up. You're breaking it up into 60 minutes. All right. So I put down here 30. Now I can minus. You see. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 hour 40 minutes, which is here. Right? Is here. But now if you use a number timeline, how? You see, from 7:35 to 8:35, from 8:35 to 9:15. So you know it's 1 hour confirmed already, but you need to know how much more this one. So how to do? You must take 9:15 minus 8:35. So for me, because I need to do to minus like that, might as well I just do it without a number timeline and just minus like that. Minus 8:35. So we are going to test you on time. Are you tested on time now, Auni?
What do you mean?
Are
For
you
what?
tested on time? This type question not yet, eh?
For which one?
For your school. Have you learned time?
Only last year, not this year.
Last year, not this year. So 15 cannot minus 35. You cancel. You borrow 1 hour. This is left with 8 hours. Down here, you must remember to plus 60. Which means what? Which means it's 75 minutes. 75 minutes minus 35 minutes is 40. So from here to here is 40 minutes. That means it's 1 hour and 40 minutes. Okay. All right, we move on. We move on. I hope you are there. Amara, are you there, Amara? Amara. Okay. Can we try number 6 first? I've taught you this before. You must be able to do this. You got to know how to calculate this thing, each of these. Okay. You got to be able to know how to calculate each one of these. You must know what is this. Then you know what the arrow is showing. For those of you who forgot, I'll write the steps. Step 1. Big what? Number minus small.
Yeah, can already.
Number, remember that? You remember I taught you this before?
What?
Big number minus small number.
Oh, that one.
Then after that, you count number of parts.
Oh, the intervals.
Number of parts. Count parts. So now you choose which one, okay. And the third one, then you divide. Then you can find. Umaira, you remember this one or not? Umaira?
I remember.
Okay, Umaira, you tell me which two numbers you want to minus. We take step 1 then. Big number minus smaller number. You tell me what number minus what number. Choose any two numbers. You have 200, 300 and 200. Okay, so we minus lah. We minus, we get how much? We get 100 lah. So this is 100. From where? From to where I show you now. I draw. From here to here is 100. So we ask you now, Umaira, how many parts are there in between 200 and 300? Only between the two. How many parts? 3. 3, you see 1 down here, 2 down here, 4. 3, and then 4. 4 parts. So you know the number of parts is 4. This one is 100. Then divide by 4. 100 divided by 4. So you must divide the 100 divided by 4. Okay. So you try 1 cannot. 10 can, you get 8. You get 2 down here. Minus, get 2 and 0. Another 0. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 1 is 25. So what does it mean? You plus 25 all the time. Okay, we're going to plus. You can see now it works. 200 plus 25 is 225. 225 plus 25 is 250. 250 plus 25 is 275. 275 plus 25 is 300. Well done. Next one. plus 25, 325. Next one.
I go toilet.
Yeah, you can go 350. And the last one is 375. You keep adding 25. And this is your answer. This one. How many can get now? You know how to do that? You know how to do? I'll give you my question on the board. Okay? You know how to do? Remember us, 3 steps. Big number minus smaller number. Then count the number of parts. Then you divide. Once you divide, you know how much is one part. Okay, so try. Okay, I'm gonna remember the 3 steps. Okay, you must be able to do this. Must be able to do this because this is a skill you're gonna have right until primary 6, secondary school, and so on. So now down here. Follow the 3 steps and try. Okay, just give me a moment. Follow the 3 steps and try.
Okay.
Okay, any one of you got the answer?
Just still starting.
Still starting, Remember, if you
Hey, where's
forgot,
the board, Joe?
yeah, the board can see, not the board.
Ah, thank.
Now, so if you forget what is the step, step 1.
I remember.
Number,
Minus.
minus small number.
What's my
2,
minus?
2 count parts. Count parts. Then 3 divide. You must memorize this. These are 3 steps.
1, 2,
Mathematics
3.
is full of different steps. You must be able to do this. Okay. Amara, can you do this, Amara? Where are you, Amara? Come. Choose. Take bigger number minus smaller number. Number 1. Count the number of parts. How many parts are there? Then divide. Your answer for the first step, divide by the number of parts. Then you know one part is how much. Come on, Amara. You can do this, Amara.
37.
Naomi, bigger number by smaller number? Anyone got answer?
I got the first one. I'm gonna type.
Okay.
The second one.
Okay, let us see. Someone has sent the answer.
It's me.
Okay. Okay, congratulations for the first one. Congratulations for the second one. Okay, now we wait for the rest. Naomi, we do together, Naomi. Bigger number minus smaller number. 97 minus 37. What's the answer, Naomi?
97 minus 37. 60.
What's the answer? 97 minus 37. Naomi, what's the answer? 97 minus 37. Amara? 97 minus 37. Naomi?
62.
62 or 60? 60, yeah?
62.
Okay, then after that, count the number of parts. How many parts are there now between 37 and 97? How many parts are there, Naomi? You count. How many parts are there? Is it 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts? No, you count on here, come. You count on here. You don't need to look there unless you draw it. Come, Naomi. You're looking down. I do not know where you're frozen. How many parts? How many?
2.
2 parts. There's one part down here.
3. What
There's
2?
2 parts down here. There's 3 parts down here. Can you see now? There's 1, 2, 3 parts. So you
Myra,
need
do
to,
you tie your hair?
so then you divide 60 divided by 3. Okay, 60 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Bring down the 0, 0 divided by 3 is 0. So 20. So 1 is 20. 20, 40, 60. So you plus 20. You want to find the next one, you plus 20. 7, 5. This is 57. Then you want to find the next one, plus another 20. 7, 7, this is 77. Let us check whether this is correct. You plus another 20. 7, 9, 97, correct. So you can do this. You can do this. Let's move on to the next one then. Maybe fasting month, you all seem a little bit weaker. Sometimes it's fasting month, we are a little bit weaker. So now, we try the next one. I'll move on to this one now. Number,
No,
have you done this?
angles. Yep,
Have
yep.
you? Yes, you all try this.
32 plus 90, right?
Okay, this whole thing is 90.
90. Oh.
You don't know the answer, please. You try, you send. Okay, what is the answer?
Is it plus or minus? I kind of forgot.
It's not a question of plus and minus. Down
No,
here,
the 90 must plus 32 or minus 32.
down here is 90 degrees. So they want you to find angle N. Okay, we got our first answer.
I forgot to do this actually.
Okay. Auni says, well, Auni is not correct. So sorry.
And I forgot how
Close.
to do it. Close.
Okay, you try first. Later I'll explain in a moment, okay? You can do this, Because you didn't find N, you found M and N. And then they give you a clue, they tell you this, Auni.
Oh, I know what's the next step.
Yes, so we have to look out for clues. Clues tell us where the answers are. What about Umara? How about you, Umara? Can you do this question, Umara?
I know, send a different answer. I sent a different answer.
Oh, send different answer. So sorry, the answer is still not correct. Okay, I do not know whether you're getting it, so let us do one by one. Watch carefully, okay? Now, down here now, this angle from here to here is 90 degrees. Where? From where to where? From here to here. How do we know? Well, squares or rectangle will always have 90 degrees. And they tell us this is a square. So all the 4 angles here might be 90 degrees. So how do you find, okay, you know this is 32. So you can find what? You can find this part down here, from here to here, which is what Auni did actually. Auni took 90, even though I did not see what she did, what she has done on the paper, but she did this like that.
How do you know when you didn't even see what I was
Yeah,
writing?
because I can see your answer. From your answer, I can tell what you did. Then you see you borrowed, you 10, this one become 8. 10 minus 2, you get 8. Then 5, 58. Then she said the answer is this. But the answer is not this. Why? Because they didn't ask you for the whole thing. They asked you for one of this. And you must remember this angle is the same as this angle. This whole thing is 58. Okay, this whole thing here is 58 here. This one now is 58. But 58 is made up of 2 angles, and the 2 angles are the same size. So now what you need to do, you want to find one of them. 58 divide by 2 lah, because they are the same size angle. Just divide by 2 and you will get the answer. So when you divide by 2, your answer is 29, which is over here, number 2. Okay. Why can divide by 2? Because it's the same angle. It's like 2n angle or 2m angle. So that's why we divide by 2. Okay, girls? I hope you're okay. Yeah? If you can't get it, you watch the video. Here we go now. We will now do the, let me check now the other one. 6 angles are marked for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many of them are larger than right angle 90 degrees? You can use a card. Remember, I told you like the other day, you can use a card. This is 90 degrees. You can put it there. See?
How about a ruler?
A ruler also is good. Ruler is good. Okay? But don't use agak-agak method lah. Use something else. Agak-agak method is might not be accurate. So how many of them are larger than a right angle?
This is so hard to just put through. I cannot. I don't want to put this thing through. What is this?
We got an answer.
Must be like, can we just count?
You have to count, yeah. You have to count it.
It feels like there's nobody inside this class.
Yeah, it feels very slow, huh? I feel
Because
it's very
this
slow.
is a
Hey,
hard
Aoni and Naomi, please turn on your video. And Amara, where are you, Amara? I cannot see you, Amara. Amara,
Ow, ow, ow.
where's Amara? Amara,
Amara
show
always-
yourself. You must take part, Amara. You must take part in this class. Otherwise, you won't be learning fast, you know.
No,
So there is a
Amara
balance.
probably just malu.
There's a balance. If you talk too much, you will not be focused. You talk too little, also you must not. There must be a balance. Just like when you next time you have husbands, for example, if you talk to them all the time, they will get a headache. If you don't talk to them, they might be sad. You must have a balance, right? Same thing in the class. It's the same thing. You say I'm very shy. I don't like to do that. Everyone is looking at me. Everyone thinks everyone's looking at them, but you cannot be looking at everyone. You can only look at one person. So don't worry about people looking at you, because it's not true that people are looking at you all the time. Sometimes they might look at you, but not all the time. But you know why? Sometimes when you play a game, yeah?
Amara might not be there and someone is just moving her camera. Like maybe her sibling.
Yeah. So maybe if let's say this doesn't help, that means Amara, you must get a face-to-face tutor. For some students, maybe if they don't participate, they need to get a face-to-face tutor.
I already sent you.
You sent me already.
I just counted the angles. I didn't
You
even
sent me a
measure.
face-to-face tutor. Let me see. Let's see what's correct. All right, Auni, congratulations. Okay, we are
Basically, I
now.
just counted them.
Yes.
It was so hard measuring them.
Yeah,
And
you
then I
just
give up on measuring and just counted.
you just counted. Okay, that means you know which one is more than 90. Okay, let's go. We test Auni now. Which one is more than 90? Okay, is this one, Auni, more than 90 degrees now? This particular angle.
Yeah, because it's not used.
Let's see now. We put a 90 degrees here. Can you see? Down here got extra. So this one is more than 90. That's one. Auni, this one, you agree is more than 90?
No.
No, it's less. So if you draw 90 degrees, can you see that the 90 degrees is bigger than this one? So this is not. Next one, more than 90? Only this one.
Yep.
Yeah, you just need to draw or put your ruler there. You can see this is more than 90. Why? Because there's still space here. So this is the next one. What about this one, only this one? Is this more than 90?
Which one? That one? No.
No, I use a blue color now. Okay, so we put a ruler now down here. We put Auni's ruler. Imagine we put it here. Can you see that there's still space here? So this is not. Auni, this one is more than 90.
Yep.
You put a ruler again. Can you see? When you put Auni's ruler, down here there's a space, so the angle is bigger than 90. Another tick. And the last one on this one, is it bigger than 90?
Yeah.
Yeah. You put a ruler, you will be like that. There's still space here. So it's how
Mr.
many?
Shaggy, can I go to the toilet?
Go, go. So how many ticks are there? Huh? There is 1, 2. Oh, here's 2. 3, 4. So 4 angles are more than 90 degrees. Okay, we move on to the next one. I think after fasting month, it might be faster lah. Okay, let's try. Have we done this? Okay, what is the angle that is 120 degrees? Which one? Is it ABC, ADC, DBCD, DAB? Which one? Let's try. Naomi, turn on your video. Amara, where are you? Amara,
Deb.
try.
The
Yes.
answer is Deb.
Answer is there.
Deb.
Deb. Okay, answer is Deb. DAB. Well done. Can I say, Myra, the answer is bad? Possible. If they have bad, now they don't have bad, right? But if they have bad, can I choose that as an answer?
Yeah.
Can. So it's either BAD or DAB. But down here, there's only DAB. So well done, Miss Myra. Now, next one now. This has been formed by 3 identical rectangles. There's 1, 2, 3. And they are identical means this size of this rectangle is the same as this rectangle. Same as this rectangle. So which is not true of the statements? Okay, we go through one by one. Is EF equals to GH? EF is here, GH is here. Is it equal? Girls, is it equal not EF and GH? Yes or no? EF, GH.
What is this?
This one now we are finding out which one is true or not true. ABCD is formed by 3 identical rectangles. 1, 2, and 3. So they say EF is equal to GH. Can you see it's not true?
How to even do this?
Right, this is not true because this one is shorter than this. How can they be equal? So your answer is already number 1. This is not true. That's it. Okay. All right. We move on to the next one. But I think we're going to move to problem sums. Because yours seem very bored lah. I'm very frightened.
I want to play flashcard.
Flashcards later lah. Because we have to do you try.
Let's just do section B. Do section B first. Section B easier.
Easier. Okay. Can you try 21 to 23 and go? 1 point each, Okay, just a moment again.
2 point each, lecture. Section B 2 point each, right? Right.
Yeah, it's 2.8.
Okay. Let's see. Anyone got the answer? Please send it to me. And we got no one.
I don't know. It's such a big number.
And you don't worry about 0. Just times the 7 first. Then after you have done that, you add the 0. Take 145 times 7. Okay, let's see.
I hope that's correct.
You have already written. Hold on. Okay, just a moment. Yes, well done.
Yahoo!
So this is 1 mark still. Lose 1 mark. Okay. Come
Sure,
the rest.
Sure, 60,000 like must you put 60 the rest?
Yes.
Or you can just put 60.
You can put 60 first, and then you write the rest.
50. Did I get correct by the way?
Your
Just now?
first one, yeah, number 21 is correct. So the rest can also do the same thing. Just take 145 times 7. Then after that, your answer, you write, you add a 0. Because we are multiplying by, then you say, I do not know my 7 timetable. Okay, never mind, you just do. I'll write for you the timetable. 7, 14. Come on, come on. 21. You can also do the same thing for yourself. 28, 25, 42, 49. Okay, and so on so forth. I don't think you'll go more than this number. Omaira, one mistake for in your calculation, you got to check. Maybe is in
So how
the.
to do question 23? What is value? What's date mean?
You write down this. What's this number? You write down. You write down this number, and then you plus together.
Then?
Okay. Which digit has the? What is the biggest digit there? You have what numbers there? What's your answer?
70,500.
20,500.
70,500.
70,500. So now, what is the biggest digit in 70,500?
7.
So what's the value of this number? That's what they're asking.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, come on, girls. You can do this, girls. Miss Naomi, come on, Naomi. I've already written the 7 timetables here. Amara, I've already written the 7 timetable here. Come on, come on. Chop, 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 chop. Okay, Auni, well done.
Yahoo.
Just give a moment. Can I just test you mentally? Okay, you try to do this. Okay, I give you a two-digit number for you to times, but you got to do it mentally. For example, you try, but I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, now let's say 21. Sorry, 21 times 11. Do you know how to do in your mind? Now I'm going to lead you. Okay, I'm going to teach you. Okay. First, 21 times 10, what's the answer? 21 times 10. Good try, Amara. Let's see, we're going to check. 210, good. Okay, now you plus another 21 in your head. Plus another 21 in your head. Can you do it? If you cannot do it, you plus 20 first. Plus, if you cannot do it, plus 10 and 10. Plus 10 and 10. 231. Yeah, you can do. What do you do? So how to plus 21? You say I cannot. You plus 10 plus 10 plus 1. So 231 is the right answer. Now you try the next one. Okay, 32 times 11. And she ran away. Okay. Now down here, for those of you who are doing question number 21, we are waiting for Miss Naomi, but we can't wait too long, so we're going to do this. 5 times 7. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 7 is 35. So I put a 3 here and carry the 4 here. And 4 times 7, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. 28. 28 plus 3, 31. 1 times 7, 7 plus 3, 10. Now, this is, you can say this answer, but you must remember to add a 0. Why? Because you have multiplied by 7, not 70. What is missing is a 0 here. Okay, you must take 145 times 7, add the 0. So this is the answer. Okay, the next one, we go to the next one now. Write this as a number. Let us see. Naomi, Umaira, come. Write this as a number, 60,000. You can write as 60,000. 1,000 is 1, 2, 3. Then they say 123. 123 is like that, right? So what's the number? 60,120. Sorry, not 23 here. 20. All right. So you can add together 60,120. That's what it is. Okay, 60,120. The last one now. In 710,000. So 710,000 is 70,000. Okay. 500. 500. So you add together, what's the number? You get 70500. All right. 70500. So what's the largest digit? Largest digit is 7. What's the value? Value 70,000. So 70,000. That's your answer. Okay. If you can't get it, refer to the video. Okay, we move on to the next one.
Is that not 8-point compass?
Okay, we try this one first. Okay.
What's a perimeter?
Perimeter means the layer on the outside only, not inside this one. This plus this plus this plus this. That is perimeter.
Oh, that one.
The one on the outside, the outline on the outside. Come on, girls, come on, you can do this. Umaira can do this, Umaira. Naomi, where are you, Naomi? Come back. Don't run away, Naomi. You can do this, Naomi. Amara, what about you, Amara? Perimeter, this plus this plus this plus this. Come on, you can do this. Come over, Amara.
Specifically, I just blast everything at once.
Yeah, let us see whether your answer is correct. Let us check now. We have 2 answers coming in. Oh, Umaira is given. Umaira, how you get 33?
You get 33.
Maybe it's a different question.
No,
Okay.
I think it's the same, but she plus 10 plus 19 like that.
10 plus 19 is 29.
Oh, okay.
So let's see. Okay, your answer, Miss Auni, is correct.
Oh.
So very simple. Just take 10 plus 10, 19 plus 19. Or 10 plus 19 plus 10 plus 19. So I will do it mentally. I will count what? I will count the 10. 10 plus 10, 20. And then I will also count down here another 10, 30, another 10, 40. So 40, I write it down here. And then 9 plus 9, 18. And then you get 58. Okay? Hopefully you get it right. In a square grid shows 4 positions on map. What's the direction of is D from B?
I haven't do this yet. I learned the 8-point compass already, but the person part and
haven't yet. Okay. Never mind. We will KIV first. We KIV is you try the next one. This one.
I already learned lah, but
but this
but
one
that part, but that type of part I haven't.
Okay, so now we try. You all know how to write on the screen? Can write on screen? Umaira, can you write on the screen then? They want you to draw 106 degrees. Umaira, are you there? Umaira is missing. Anyone can write on the screen? And Auni, you know how to write on the screen?
No.
Can you draw the line?
Huh?
They want an angle of 106. So this is the line on here. Right? Down here is A, down here is B. So they want an angle AB, you need to draw the C lah. Where is C going to be? So the angle has to be 106. So there is already a line from here. They want one more line to draw. Can you tell me how? Okay, down here now they say 106. So use the inside one, don't use outside, because down here now is the line. Whichever is 0 you follow. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It reaches 90, 100. Now they want 106. So you go to down here now and start counting. Okay? Let us see. You start counting from here, 106. is down somewhere here. So the line, if you draw, is it's like that. This is the angle 106. Later, I'm going to give you more drawings with this, okay? Then you can see this is 106. So remember, you start counting from where the zero is. The zero is down here, you cut from here. Don't count down here, there's nothing here. A and B is down here. Okay, we try now. Are you all okay? You are tired. You look very tired. Find the area of the three identical squares. Remember, area of square is length times breadth. Length times breadth. Come on.
Yeah.
Can you find what is the area of the three squares? Okay, we have congratulations. No congratulations for you. Sorry. No. Naomi, come, try to do this. What are you doing, Naomi? Naomi's not listening. She's busy
I
with the clothes.
forgot how to do this.
Okay, just find what is the length times breadth. So
I
now you know one side is how much?
breadth.
One side is how much? What's one side is square? This is 3. This one must be 3 also. 3 times 3 is how much?
9.
9. So this one is also 9. This one is also 9.
Wait,
So, what's your answer then? 27. Yes, 9 times 3 is 27. It is that simple, you know. So if you're okay, you will be able to score. Let me try the next one. This one now. Can we try these two questions together? Okay. After this, we will change. We will be doing some protractor activities. So you try this first. Come, Naomi, come. Let us see. Anyone?
yeah, but
Oh, you sound so tired.
I am tired.
Are you fasting?
Uh,
Okay. Do you know that actually fasting is actually very, very good for you? Okay, fasting is very good. The modern scientists, they lose weight. Some more. What else?
Become skinny.
Skinny. Okay, but Allah says we are supposed to fast to build our taqwa. That means our consciousness of Him. We think about Him. But sometimes some of us, when we fast, we just thinking about food.
Nah, I watch things about food, so I suffer.
You suffer. Oh, some people, they watch things about food and they start feeling full.
toilet again.
What? You want to go toilet? Yeah, go. If you need to wash your face, no problem. Okay. I myself need to. It's okay. Otherwise, be very sleepy. Yeah. Umaira, are you okay, Umaira? Umaira, what's the answer for this? Try to do lah. What are the factors of 12? Okay. If those of you have forgotten the meaning of factors, I will have to revise that. Remember not, Naomi? Do you remember factors not, Naomi? Naomi, are you there, Naomi? Mimi, can I call you Mimi? Can. Don't call me Mimi. Okay. Now, you write what's the factors of 12. You write right now 1 times what? Okay, I will do part of it for you guys. 2 times what?
Why would anybody want to call by their nickname?
Yeah, sometimes it's like, I don't know. Do you have a nickname?
No.
Myra? Anyone call you Myra? I think some people call you Myra, right?
Myra.
Umaira or just Myra? Anyone call you Myra? No. Well, maybe when you are young, as a baby, yeah, they might call Rara, Rara. It could be something like that. I do not know. For you, maybe yes, no. But it's not any babies that are
I
called that.
got the answer.
What's your answer? Yes. Umar. Umar, they call you Umar. Are you sure?
Who?
No, my cousin's name is Uma. And like my name
Umar.
is Myra. So
So they
sometimes
call you Mira. Mira. Do you like being called Mira?
Mira's my mother's name.
Oh yeah, Mira. Okay, so you fill in the blanks here. What times what equals to 12? 1 times 12. Okay, what else? 2 times 6. 3 times 4. Or for 16, 1 times 16. 2 times 8. Or 4 times 4. Then you circle lah. What are the common factors of 12 and 16? Oh, 1 is a common factor. What else? 2 is a common factor. 4 is a common factor. Nothing else. So you just add them up. 1, 2 plus 4. Don't double count. Just 1, 2 plus 4. And the answer is 7.
Next time. I see you next time. Bye.
7.
Say to cool bro, bye for me. Bye.
Hey, don't say bye-bye to us, Auni. Come, let's try this one
I
out.
was saying bye-bye to my half siblings.
House siblings. Okay.
Who you all what?
Nothing.
House siblings. What is a house siblings?
Ah.
Sibling means is your brothers and sisters, right?
Hmm.
So maybe those who are staying with you in the same house.
No.
Okay, come. No. Okay. Can we try this? You try
How
to
to
do
do
this
that?
one. You understand what the question is saying? A piece of wire. If you watch P. Ramlee movies, you watch P. Ramlee movies?
I watch.
Okay, there's one where it's with Zain. Labu Labi, you know Labu Labi?
Oh yeah, that one.
Then he said this in Malay. He says, Urat dawai.
I
Tulang
didn't
besi.
watch that. Oh, that one.
Have you seen the guy said that? Right? Urat dawai. Dawai is a type of wire, metal wire that you can bend, you know. Have you seen that?
No.
So imagine now that dawai now, you bend and then you form into a rectangle like that. You bend, you bend, you bend. So now they tell you that this wire, now this red thing is the wire. All right. So now you know this is 8, this is 8. Can you find out what is the length? The perimeter is 50. Come on.
Of the wire.
Sorry? Sorry?
I already
You
did
show
that.
us of the wire.
Yeah, show us the wire.
Show us wire, dawai. Okay. I'll
Yeah.
show you dawai then. Okay.
We are all very curious.
I think you all are
Yes.
very bored. Okay, but
I
it's
am
okay.
very bored already. I don't know why. Usually I am not.
Because you want to sleep lah.
Because maybe sometimes.
Ayo.
Okay, I show you now. Uh-oh. See, I was searching for protractor stuff. So now down here, dawai. This is Malay dawai lah.
The why?
Can you see images dawai? So this is the type of wire. This is dawai. Have you all seen dawai now?
No. Let me
This is the wire that can bend. They can bend.
see.
But be careful. I read a story of this. You know where you can get a lot of wire? Inside the
No,
television, there's copper wire and all. So
Oh.
one day there's this guy, he wanted to steal copper wire in
Is this
Malaysia.
real? Of
You know what
it's real.
he did? He stole it from a power station. But when he go and cut the wire, he was electrocuted. He died. And not only he died, he was burned all over until his whole body is like a mummy.
He's
And
stupid.
this,
When you do that, he's like stupid lah.
yeah, that's right. You go and cut the wire from a
Oh, I never
power
have
station.
thought about that.
Yeah. So
Why?
in the end, the electricity went through the body. Now, do you notice? Okay, we're talking about electricity. Since you are down here, I'm just going to ask you: have you heard of lightning conductors? No?
Lightning
the building.
conductors. Can you show us?
Okay, I show you now. You look out of it when you go to every building. You look for lightning rod, lightning rod building on top of buildings. Now you not code, no code, just like that. So now can you see this lightning?
Oh, that one.
No, not on top here, not on top here. You look at the HDB. Let's say in HDB.
HDB.
Let us see.
That's kind of
down here. You look at this. Can you see this picture here?
I can't see.
You can see this one now. This
Yeah.
one. This is for the lightning. Now, why they put this? Now, this thing now is connected. If you look carefully, I'm going to open up this picture. Okay. Let's. Memory lane. Whose one is this? Sorry, I got to go back to this one now. Okay, we make it big. Can you see? Can you see that this is actually a piece of metal? You know. Why must they have this? Can you see now? The metal it goes down here. Can you see now? Are you able to see? This is a piece of metal. So now, from here, let's say now lightning. Okay, I'm just gonna draw for you like lightning. Okay, let's say. The lightning strikes here. Then the electricity will go through here, and then it will flow, right until it reaches the ground. Now, if you don't have this, let's say you don't have this thing here, this thing you don't have, then what is going to happen? The lightning is going to zing, 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 zing. The whole thing going to pecah. You get it, Anna? So now, I'm going to give you a quiz question.
Ooh.
Every time you have a lightning, there's a thunder. Why is that so? Every time you have lightning, you have thunder.
So
Sometimes,
so that you know when is it going to happen?
do you know why it happens now? And sometimes the thunder is loud, sometimes the thunder is soft. Sometimes
When
you go,
you hear the thunder, then you know like when you hear the thunder, because sometimes thunder has loud voice, right? Loud sound.
but why is there thunder when there's a lightning?
Because they are best friends.
No. Okay, I show you now.
No.
Yeah, have you learned about heat?
No.
In primary 4, you learn already, right?
No lah.
Never.
Heat expands. You know what's expand?
Expand.
This become bigger.
Yeah, I know.
So now let's say now you have a piece of metal, heat it up, very hot. This one becomes slightly bigger now. So lightning is so hot, that when you strike like that, what is around here? This is air, you know.
This is like science class instead.
Yeah, I'm just waking up because you all are a little bit tired. So the air will expand. When the air expands very fast, it creates a sound, an explosion. So that is actually what's happening. But why is it some are loud, some are far? Loud one means is the lightning is close to you. Far one means the lightning is far away. That's why it takes time to reach you. You get it? So now one more thing. If it's raining, now let's say if it's raining.
Naomi, you live on you live in flat. That looks like a bungalow.
Naomi, they're asking you a question. Are you living in a flat, in a bungalow, or are you in heaven?
Because I live like the ground floor.
Ground floor, okay.
Only what kind of house?
Flat.
What about Miss Omaira?
Yeah, what about? What?
Okay, you have now, can you see this one?
Bungalow.
Bungalow, really?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's all go to a place then. Now,
My place looks like a flat.
Okay, look at this. If you are in the middle of a field and you are carrying an umbrella and there's lightning, please don't use the umbrella. Don't even walk there because the lightning will strike the highest object. So
And then you will be a dumb one.
yeah, and then you might die lah. You
And
gotta be
you'll be the
careful.
dumb one.
Yes. Do you know that my wife is from Indonesia? She has seen dead bodies of people who have been struck by lightning, and they turn black. No, they totally become black. You know, the hair fall off and all. So, okay, my wife is from Indonesia.
Ah.
Indonesia, they don't have these lightning conductors. They just build a house, might not have lightning conductors. And then as I was explaining to you, if you are in the field and you are the highest one and you're holding an umbrella and there's lightning, you are actually inviting the lightning to come to you. Why?
Because the umbrella, some umbrellas are made of metal.
Let's say now.
Umbrella go conductor of heat.
No, because the tip is normally metal, right?
What?
The tip of the umbrella sometimes is metal. So down here now, you have now coconut tree. If the coconut tree is higher than you and the lightning is near here, it will hit the coconut tree first.
Then the coconut tree will hit us.
Maybe. But if you are in a soccer field, let's say your school field, and then it's starting to rain, and then there's lightning, and you are running, let's say now we see Naomi running. Okay, let's say Naomi running very fast. Was running, enjoying. Be careful, because it might, you got to get to somewhere that is higher than you. Especially the one with lightning conductor, because it's attracted to the metal. So it will, and then there's a wire strip here. It will flow to the ground, then it's okay. But if you are the highest thing, you might get hit. So let's say now you are stuck in the middle of a field. You cannot run to the building close enough. What do? They say curl up into a ball. That means you curl up into a ball here. Hopefully
Can we play flashcards? This kind of getting boring.
Okay. I'm sorry, it's getting boring, but we have to go through. Your mom made a special request. We have 17 minutes more. So,
you know my mom?
Yes, she says that yes, you couldn't be that good. She says that you are having difficulty in protractor, right? Using protractor.
Oh, yeah.
So now we are going to go through some protractor lesson.
Problem sum. That one I only can.
No, not problem sums. Do some angle work. I don't problem sum. I want to do angle work.
Because I only hates problem sum. Problem sum is I only lost enemy.
Okay. All right. Now I'm going to show it to you. So this is like a lesson. It's like a lesson. Like a lesson.
What do you mean like a lesson? This is already a lesson.
A lesson. I mean, it's not exercise. Okay. Now we go to a color one. Can we have color, please? Thank you very much. Okay. So now down here, remember, first of all, there's always two sets of numbers. The inside and the outside. So which one is inside? Which one do you use? You have to look at the bottom down here. If the line is like that, the angle is like this one is touching, you must use this side, which is 0. If let's say you have another line down here, angle is not is now down here, then and it goes down here, you have to use this side down here, not this side, because 0 is here. So you got to choose where your 0 should start. Okay, hold on. You have to choose where 0 should start. So now, so down here, we ask Miss Auni. In this case, for angle ABC, where do you have your 0? On the left side or on the right side? Is it the green one or the blue? Which one?
The green one.
Green or blue?
Green.
Green or blue?
Green, because it's left baseline.
Well done. So down here, well done. That means you understand. So down here now is the green side, so that you must read from here. I do not know what happened to the image. Did the image disappear?
Yes.
Now you can see. So you start reading from here. So you read 10, 20, 30. Now, maybe your problem is not reading. I do not know. But maybe it's measuring with a protractor.
Yeah.
Okay, so if measuring the protractor, what do you do? First thing, girls, do this. First thing, you take a pencil and you mark this line like that to make it sure that, okay, this one you know, like this. So you have a point that is exact. When you put the protractor, you know exactly where to put. Because some people, they put it anyhow, you know. This part, it does not meet. Okay, example. Let's say now the line is, imagine, the line is like that. Can you see, let's say if this is the angle, do you know that this is not accurate, right? Because there's space there. You cannot leave a space. You cannot leave a space. You must make sure that it's exactly on the line. So sometimes it's best to mark this one on here. So you know exactly where the spot is. Okay, first point. Second point, once you place it in position, you must hold it. Use one finger to press and then you read. Remember down here, okay, we test is only, do you start reading this angle, blue, read blue one or the green one?
Blue.
Blue. Are you sure or not?
Yep.
Yes, because it's here, right? Here you must take the 0 to be here. So you take the blue. And then...
Not in the meeting.
Sorry?
It says that Naomi is not in the meeting.
Naomi,
Where's
come back,
Amara?
Naomi. Where are
Where's
you going,
Amara?
Naomi? Stop eating, Naomi.
Where's Amara?
Also, Amara. Oh, Amara lah is the one. I do not know where she is. Her internet might be problematic. So down here, do you know how to read this one or not, girls? Okay, what's the angle here? You tell me what's the angle. Okay, I'm gonna. What's the angle here?
Bigger. Make it bigger.
This is very big, right?
A bit more bigger.
Hey, how can you not see?
That means your viewer put the speaker mode lah. Speaker mode.
Okay.
Now is it big? Okay, what's the angle? Auni or whoever, or Amara or Naomi.
It should be Auni and that do.
Okay, okay, Auni. All right. What's the answer, Auni?
Wait.
Kakak Umar.
Is it 125?
25.
No, wait, let me count.
Kakak Mira, you must check. Kakak Mira.
124.
You say count from the blue, yet you going count from the green. Aduh, why is she going count from the green?
55.
55. Okay. So down here, yes. So you come from the down. Okay, let's see now. So you start from 0 here. You reach 50, and then you know the next one 51. So what is this? You can go up here lah. Down here is 51, 52, 53, 4, 55. You know it covers the 5 down here, right?
Auni
So
so
55.
sleepy she can sleep right now.
Yeah, she sounds tired and bored.
Hey!
Okay. So 55 degrees, you're correct. Okay, we ask now Miss Umaira. What is the angle here? Umaira, run away. Only.
No, Myra trying to hide.
Okay, never mind. It's puasa time. So you tell me now what's this angle now. Come now. Your mom say you're weak in this. Yes, your mom say.
No, Myra.
I said
Okay, Umaira, what's the answer for this one, Umaira?
1, 2, 3.
Hey, properly, don't just say it's easy as 1, 2, 3. What's your answer?
123.
120 is 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Auni, do you agree? She's wrong, right? It's supposed to come from the blue, right?
Oh, okay.
Is it from the blue?
No.
Huh?
No, it's the green.
Okay.
Sir, don't trick me.
I must. Otherwise, I do not know whether you understand or not. Naomi, what's the angle for you, Naomi?
Naomi, don't stop the video. On your video.
Naomi, what's the angle? Is it 62 degrees, Naomi? This one? Is it 62 degrees?
What time is it now? I see.
We have 10 minutes more.
Yahoo!
Is it 60? Do we read from here? Do we read using the green? Naomi! Do you use the green or you use the blue? Which one? Blue. Blue. Look, the angle is here. Look at the line. Look at the line. Where the angle is, you must choose the 0.
The baseline is on the left side.
You must use the 0 here,
Left
which is
side is okay.
yellow. So, Naomi, what's the angle, Naomi?
No, it's green, not yellow.
Umaira say the answer is easy as 1, 2, 3. What do you say your answer is?
The answer.
1, 2, 0. Are you sure 1, 2, 0?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3 also, yes. Congratulations to all of you.
Can someone please not say 1, 2, 3?
Okay, we try the next one. Hands-on activity. Okay, this one you got to draw on your own and then you have to practice lah. But let us now first.
Is this my?
No, not your textbook.
No.
This comes from my pals are here. Okay, anyone, let's challenge. Here we go. Umaira versus Auni versus Naomi. What's the angle? And go. Mimi, hurry.
Wait lah. 70.
70. Do you agree, Naomi?
Yeah.
Yes, because the 0 starts on here. So you follow, okay, 70. Okay, I'll show you the next one. You all just go for it, okay? Just shout out the answer, Naomi. If
Got
you
it.
need to scream, please scream, okay? And here we go. And Naomi and Auni, let's see whoever has got answer
What is
first.
this? Right is inner. Let me see. 115, is it?
115. Okay, what about you, Naomi?
Wait, no. No, 115. What is this? How you say? 105.
Mimi, what about you, Mimi?
Say your name properly. Naomi, say something.
Naomi, you prefer me to call you Mimi, right? Okay.
115.
115. Okay. So now you count at the 0 is here or here. The green or blue is blue because the line is here. Hey, Naomi, here, look, Naomi. The blue, you must count the blue. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So the next one is 105.
Yahoo!
Okay, now Umaira is in. We'll challenge with her, okay? So let's see whether she can get lah. Okay, here we go. I'm going to draw a line.
Okay.
Yeah. Where I draw the line, imagine is then you must tell what angle is,
Okay.
Okay. Just shut it out, okay? Here we go and go.
85.
85 to Umaira.
Hey, I say also.
You
But I
said
said
5.
first.
Okay.
I
so,
say 85.
So here we go. Remember the line is here. Naomi,
Okay.
don't give chance. Naomi, don't give chance. And go.
145.
Okay, this time is Auni.
Mhm.
Auni, Naomi, come on. Make sure you. Okay, now I'm going to give like that. I'm going to make it very big.
What?
So that you know. After that, you all might.
Oh, no.
Oh,
What's that?
hold on. Someone's coming.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
I think our sister is coming in again. You know who's our sister?
Our sister is Amara. Anyway.
Yes, And
Draw the
go.
line. 100. Oh, wait, what's this?
13. Congratulations, Umaira.
Hey, so small, right?
No.
I can't see the interval.
You must press the speaker. You must change your view button to speaker.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Next one again. Watch carefully again.
Okay.
And go.
33.
And
32.
32, correct. So 31, 32.
No, I don't want to challenge with her. I want to challenge with Naomi.
Hey.
It's too fast. I don't care.
Okay, we try the next one. Around here. Try the next one.
You use the tip of
Oh,
here
they're finished.
and then do this.
Okay, we will.
Auni, you challenge me or Auni. Auni, you challenge me or Naomi. We might still get it correct, you know.
Wow.
Might.
It's good, lah. It's good. Okay, now challenge are ready, Question number 8 and go.
And the other side do it for the same.
Who is that? Shut up.
That was Naomi.
Ouch. Okay, I think I got the answer.
And what's your answer? Can you send by the chat? Let's see whether you're right. Oh, she has sent it by the chat.
Sure,
Congratulations.
can we leave now?
You want to leave early, is it?
No. If I leave early, my mom will scold me.
I see. Okay, we're waiting for the rest now.
Okay.
Come on, remember this is 90 degrees over here. Over here is 90 degrees. Amara, welcome back, Amara. But please come.
Yay, Amara is here, finally.
70.
Do you know
Be
that
quiet.
Amara, the 3 girls were searching for you. They are very sad. Some of them
No,
were
we are
crying.
not.
73.
73. Okay, all right. Well done. Okay. So down here, how to do this question?
73 before I only even type.
Okay. So Kakak Mira says this. This is 90 degrees. Right? You minus 17. Everyone calls you Kak Mira, nak? No.
I call my cousin Kak Mira.
Okay, so 3 and then 7, 73. Okay, we move on to the next one.
Okay.
Move on to the next one. Okay.
I mean,
Ready,
I think once my father called me Kalung, and then he called my brother something.
I see. Do you prefer to be called Kakak and all?
No,
Why not?
I don't
Who
know.
has pets here?
Me, I got 5 pets.
Really?
Yeah,
Really? I have 5 pets.
birds.
Huh?
I got 2 chicken, 3 birds.
Ready?
Yeah.
Chickens.
How can you guys? Why are you smiling? When you were smiling. Why are you still smiling?
A picture in the phone right now.
No, I don't count the picture. I don't count the picture.
I sent Mr. Shahid. I can show you.
Send to
And
us.
here we go. This is the question. Last question. We got 3 minutes. What is the answer? Siapa contoh this one? Remember the 3 steps? Mimi, remember?
Yes, whatever.
Number. Naomi not listening. I don't know what she's doing.
Then what?
I don't
1,
know.
2, 3, 4.
See, she's
5,
laughing.
7.
Like that, she won't be able to improve. You see. And what is that? Myra, behind you on the right. What is that thing? What is this? Oh, okay. I thought it was a set of like a watermelons. Melons or something.
4. Ouch!
Your answer is 4.
Yeah.
But how can it be 4 is 60 and 100 here? What
I
number
know.
is here?
Oh, no. 64. So what's 65? Oh, wait.
So Myra be 4.
What's 64 plus 4?
60 plus 4 plus 4 is, you know how to do that. Wow, really, yeah? Wow.
How many documents you show Auni?
She's Auni, that's what she's having. Auni, can you see Auni? Auni is busy. Myra just sent me this picture of her chicks inside a cage.
Huh?
And
On the that one, I cannot see.
you cannot see.
Very small.
Okay, later I'll share later I will think. But we will just finish this one. We got 1 minute more. Okay, you tell me what to do step by step. Step 1, big number minus small number. What's your answer?
100 minus 60 is 40.
40. Then count the number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8,
9,
10.
10. So 10 parts. So divide by 10. So each part is actually 4. So to get this answer, you can plus or just minus 4 lah. 100 minus 4, what's your answer? You get the answer very straight. 100 minus 4.
Oh, we must actually calculate.
100 minus 4. 100 minus 4, anybody?
96.
96. So now in this case, you can also plus 4, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96. Same thing, but do the easier method lah. Okay, I will show you now. This now. We will ask Umaira, once your chicks grow big, do you slaughter them and eat them?
No.
You do, right? You don't? Okay, one day, maybe we will visit Umaira lah. Okay? Agree? Umaira, do you invite us for Haraya to your place to look at the chicks? Maybe we might eat it. Okay, I'll catch up with you. I have now the next lesson.
The bird also have one.
Huh? The bird?
What bird?
What bird? Oh, yeah, I didn't see the bird.
What bird?
But I feel very sad seeing them in a cage. I think they should be set free.
Like share the screen and then show. I cannot see.
You cannot see?
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave now.
Okay, we got to go now. Okay, and bye-bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye. Enjoy yourself. See you next week.